Welcome to this particular certificate course on research and reporting skills. We have in the 5th and 6th semester a project which is to be submitted to the University of Kerala as part of BCom program. How to do a research. This certificate course will enable you to undertake a project knowingly what to do and how to report, etc. These skills that you acquire in this certificate course will help you to study any issue, any problem that you might face in life. So we just begin with, what is research? Suppose now you are going to do a certificate course. There is also courses available in Swayam. So from 2016 onwards, it is being popularized. People are taking this course. And how it is? What is the effectiveness of this course? How many register? How many continue? How many take the certificate? You want to know about it. You make a research. You can make a study. So research is a systematic, structured approach to discover new information or confirm existing knowledge. According to Clifford Woody, research comprises defining, redefining problems, formulating hypotheses, suggested solutions, collecting, organizing, and evaluating the data, making deductions, reaching conclusions, at last carefully testing the conclusion to determine whether they fit the formulating hypothesis. Characteristics of research. As we said, it is systematic. One step after another. You can't do the last part in the beginning. There should be a logical action taken to complete a research. It is empirical in nature. It is to be tested. Research should be objective. We are studying the social aspects, and we ourselves are human beings. We can be prejudiced, biased, etc. But the research has to be very objective. It should be reliable, means it has to be tested by anybody and same result should be received. It can be generalized. One concept, one body of knowledge that you tested and proved in India should be same elsewhere where the human beings work together or live together. Replicable, can be tested elsewhere also. This study can be same structures, same methods can be followed elsewhere. Types of research: descriptive research, analytical research, applied research, fundamental research, quantitative research, and qualitative research. Let's begin with the descriptive research. It aims to accurately, systematically describe a population. It speaks about the characteristics of a population, situation, or phenomena. It can be case studies, surveys, observational research. Analytical research means the research goes beyond the mere description of the characteristics of features of the particular problem or situation. Also analyze and interpret the data that he has collected to find some pattern of occurrence or some reason for the occurrence, to establish a cause and effect relationship between particular problem or issue, situation, etc. Third one is applied research. It is done in the actual situation, focused on addressing a specific practical issue. Applied research aims to find solution to real world problem. This can be utilized in agricultural field, dairy farms, etc. Even human beings after experimenting, after serving a particular drug, before and after, etc. Fundamental or basic research. This type of research is theoretical and aims at expanding the knowledge in the existing field without immediate practical application in mind. Here the body of knowledge is being enhanced. They make a contribution in the research area. Quantitative research involves collection of numerical data to understand the phenomena and answer the research questions. They make use of the data, and based on the data, they make the analysis, interpret the data, find solutions. Qualitative data seeks to understand the human behavior, belief, preferences, experiences through the collection of non-numerical data like text and images. So qualitative data, we are more concerned about the aptitude of the person, perception of the person, experience of the person, the behavior, the belief, likes and preferences, etc. For that, when we do that type of research, it is called the qualitative research. Research methods and research methodology. Research method focus on the techniques and tools used to gather the data. It involves specific procedures, steps to obtain information. Research methodology means it's concerned about the overall strategy, the framework of research. When you construct a building, you have a blueprint prepared by the expert architect or engineer. Same way, how to go about this study, that is research methodology. Descriptive and analytical research, the difference between the two. As we said, we are in the descriptive research, we are describing a population or a phenomenon, issue, problem. We're only finding out that. But the analytical research, you are trying to, you go beyond the characteristics, features of this particular issue or problem or phenomena. You are trying to analyze, go deeper into it based on the data, observation, or the previous studies done, etc. You are trying to establish a relationship between the two, cause and effect relation between the variables, or understand the pattern of occurrence, why this happened, how often it happens, etc. Applied and fundamental research. Applied research addresses a specific and practical issue. As I told you, in the case of cultivation, agricultural activity, rice cultivation, after applying a particular manure, what will be the yield? Is this particular yield, is it because of this manure or any other factors are involved in, etc. So that is applied research. Fundamental or basic research means it is mainly theoretical, aims at expanding the base of knowledge in a particular field without intermediate practical application in mind. We are trying to find out, people are buying a particular soap or a perfume often or more in comparison to other products. They are buying this. Is it because of any other particular aspects, attribute of this, or what is the human behavior behind it, etc. You are making a kind of study into it. So you are contributing to the existing knowledge. There is one more aspect, maybe the perception of the people have changed towards this particular product, etc. Some perception, some concept can be formulated. So that is called the fundamental or basic research. Quantitative and qualitative, as the name suggests, quantitative research is based on the numerical data collected for this. Qualitative data, we study the human behavior, preferences, belief, experiences, perception, attributes, attitudes,